Mm, 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 mm. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, we got to 2K and I'm so grateful to every one of you. Thank you for making this family grow bigger, for staying with me, for watching my videos, leaving comments. You guys are the best and I love each and every one of you. So you guys had so much fun in my prom video. Well, I'm going to be doing a play date today with makeup. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm sure it's going to match my backdrop. That's purple, so that's it. I'm wearing like a purple blouse, but it's not really showing because it's like an off-shoulder situation kind of thing. But anyway, don't think I'm naked. I'm wearing a blouse but it's not showing. So I know it's going to be purple to match my backdrop. It's kind of smoky. I don't know what I'm going to create yet, but I just know I'm going to have fun. So I'm going to go offline now, do my full face, and then I'll be right back to do the other eye on camera and lips. So let's jump right into this tutorial, guys. So guys, for foundation I've used this one, and this one is from Talk London and Lancome. I mixed both of them. And then for my highlight, I'm using the yellow corrector from LA Girl, and I mix it in with Fawn concealer. I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown foundation stick. It's in the shade One Beige, and I'm just going to put that just on the perimeters of my face to add a little bit more highlight to what I'm doing already. I change up my routine every time. I've noticed that using this one's a little bit cooler than the Fawn and the other one, so that is what I'm using at the perimeter of my highlight, just to tone it down. So when I blend it out, everything just, you know, blends out more seamlessly. I'm going to put a little bit on my chin also, and then under my contour part to kind of make it to make the contour stand out more. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to blend it all out. For my contour, I always use black opal carob until I find something else. Carob is from black opal, is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. Well, like, before I could get to this point, it was a struggle. I'm going to insert a clip somewhere on the screen. I started doing an eye, a purple eye. Like, that's why before I try to do tutorials, I try to have the look in my mind, because when I come online clueless, it's a total disaster. Sometimes I even stop filming. I'm going to insert a clip somewhere where the first eye I did, it was going fine, but then I don't know, like at some point I was like, I didn't like it. I didn't like the way it was turning out, so I cleaned it. It's still the same colors I used now, but I cleaned up that one. I had to start over again, so I'm super tired. I almost even stopped doing this one, so you know how tired and frustrated I am already. So I'm just saying it to go that most times most makeup artists or beauty influencers don't get it right the first time or the second time, I swear down. So don't beat yourself up. Everybody is not perfect. So we're going to create this eye on this eye. I hope it goes well and we get something that looks like this one. So let's go. So I already set my I put P. Louise base on my lid. I'm going to go in with this palette now. It's from House of Tara. Taking this pink color here, their pink color. I'm going to take it, and that'll be my first transition color. Transition color, you want to pick the lightest of all the colors you'll be working with. So if I didn't want to use any like my Morphe 3502 palette where it has like browns, and because I'm not doing a brownish earthy tone kind of look, I'm going for a more colorful look today. So it's like a purple, but it's not like this one that's a bluish purple. So I take this first, then I go in with this one, making these ones still on the outer corner of my eyes, still with that fluffy blending brush, because I don't want the colors to be well defined yet. Go down like the lowest part of my outer V. So I've placed 3 colors there, but I'm making sure that I'm not putting them on top of each other. You can see like you can see the 3 of them. If you look carefully, you can see the 3 colors, but they are not like mixed up together. They are not all modeled up together. I'm going to my Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm going to be taking this color. I'll take a little bit of this and a little bit of this on the outer part of my eyes. Gives me that bluish purple kind of vibes. putting that color on the outer part of the eye as well before coming in. I want that like winged eye effect, so I'm going to just bring it in like this, but I'm making sure that I'm still maintaining that winged eye effect. So I'm going to come back out here. Now that the brush is clean, I'm taking in that first pink I used, and I'm going to blend out the edges of this one first. Taking this TZ Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take in the black in it, and I'm just going to use that to smoke out the outer part even more. So that'll be the eyes for now. So to cut my crease, I'm going to be using this Benign Clown White. Yeah. To set the lid, I'm going to be using this color. It's called Faso here. So for the other part that has the hash line, I'm going to take this color and I'm going to mix it with a bit of this color. I'm mixing it with a bit of this, just to blend out that hash line here. And I'm going to be using this one from Uber Chick View. It's called Ewa. It's like color sha. I don't know how to explain it to you guys. And I'm going to be using this brush from Hush Beauty NG. The middle part, I'm going to go in with this royal blue glitter from EA Beauty. It's in the shade Beeb. I think it was named after Beyonce. Just tap that on the middle part here, just to create that gradient effect. Then I'll go in with more of the first glitter we're working with and place that on it so that it kind of like blends the two of them together. So for liner, I'm going to be using my Angular 77 gel liner, and I'm going to be using this angle brush from Nuban Beauty. I also used it to line my waterline. So for lashes, I'm using these ones from Wink Lashes. They're a Nigerian brand, and the style is Rapunzel. I'll be doubling them up, and that's what I'm using on my eyes. Desi and Katie's collection, and I'm going to be using my La Bronze La Peach. I'm going to spray my brush with this glow spray I made by myself. If you follow me on Snap, you would have seen the tutorials. I'm going to spray my brush with it, and then I'm going to use it like that to now apply my highlighter. That forehead glow just gives me some kind of life, so that is why I love using it. Ooh. Also, I'm going to be using this one. It's a random lip gloss, but it's super shiny, and this is what I'm using on my lips today. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, of course, just in the middle to add a little bit of that peachiness to it. This gloss bomb smells amazing. Like every time I open it, I'm like, So guys, this is the finished look. I know I deserve a round of applause because I almost stopped this tutorial. I'm like, okay, Lydia, the finished look is going to be bomb, but I'm like, my head was just telling me just stop, go and sleep, because it's already like 2 AM. But I'm so happy I went through, because I end up liking it. I hope you guys love it too. Let me know your comments, what you think. Give this video a thumbs up, please, and also subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. And if there's one thing you learned in this video, is that never give up, because it might seem like it's not it. I know that it might seem like it's not it, but then just keep going, keep grinding, and you reach your goal at the end of the day. I had a look like this in mind, but I almost stopped because I felt it was not bomb at all. I tried 2 different looks today, so you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Really quickly, I want to say thank you for 2K subscribers, not videos. 2K subscribers. I'm so grateful to each and every one of you, and yeah, let the family keep growing. Please subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, you know, spread the word. Lydia Stanley is on YouTube and she's dishing out, you know, slay looks for you guys, so please let them come subscribe and join the family. I'm going to see you all in my next video, and until next time, I love you all. Stay blessed. Mwah.